Have you ever felt the sting of rejection like a door slamming shut in your face? But what if I told you that behind that closed door lies a world of possibilities waiting to be discovered? Today, we're diving deep into the art of flipping rejection on its head, inspired by the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher. Imagine a reality where every no doesn't knock you down, but fuels your journey. Greatness ejection, which is typically viewed as a painful setback, can really serve as a launchpad for great achievements. Consider it not as a harsh twist of fate, but as the world urging you towards something even better. Have you ever felt invisible, as if your efforts went unnoticed? But before we dig, let us disseminate this wisdom far and wide by engaging with us, hitting the like button, and ringing the notification bell. Your involvement isn't simply a click. It's a signal that you're ready to accept transformation. When someone ignores or rejects you, it's crucial not to let it get you down. Instead of feeling awful about things, concentrate on your personal worth and satisfaction. Imagine someone not wanting to spend time with you. It is their loss, not yours. By not becoming upset or attempting to change their view, you are demonstrating that you trust in yourself. Do things that make you happy, such as reading or spending time with people who care about you. Rejection might really motivate you to grow better and stronger. It is like constructing a wall around yourself that shields you from feeling awful about what others think. 2. Don't react emotionally when someone says no to you or ignores you. It can hurt, but instead of reacting immediately away with sadness or anger, take a time to think. Stoicism teaches us to control our emotions and not allow them rule us. So when faced with rejection, take a step back and attempt to understand why it happened. It may not be about you, but about the other person's own troubles or fears. Stay cool and polite, even if you're disappointed. Remember that your worth isn't based on what others think of you. 3. Eliminate them from your mind. Rejection can feel like a hurdle, but it is not. Instead of dwelling on rejection, try to see it as a sign that something better is waiting for you. It's like taking a different route when you can't go the way you planned. Keep yourself busy with things you enjoy and people who support you. Surround yourself with positivity and new experiences. This manner, rejection, becomes simply a little obstacle in the road to uncovering your full potential. 4. When someone rejects or overlooks you, it doesn't imply you're not useful. Instead of feeling sad, use it as an opportunity to show what you're capable of. Focus on doing activities that highlight your skills and qualities, even if others don't see them. Away by remaining determined and concentrating on relevant objectives. You're demonstrating that rejection will not keep you back. Remember, it's not about what people think of you. It's about believing in yourself and your ability. 5. Cuts off contact. If someone ignores or rejects you, it's okay to take a step back and focus on yourself. Don't feel like you have to keep reaching out to them for validation. Instead, prioritize your own well-being and happiness. By taking a break from trying to connect with them, you show that you value yourself and your own feelings. Silence can be a wonderful instrument for self-respect and resilience, reminding you that you don't need anybody else's approval to feel good about yourself. 6. When you receive rejection, don't let it get you down. Instead, use it as incentive to prove everyone wrong. Focus on improving yourself and your skills, not to show off to others, but for your own satisfaction. By setting goals and working hard to achieve them, you're showing that rejection won't stop you from reaching your full potential. Remember that success isn't about proving others wrong. It's about believing in yourself, your ability to overcome problems. 7. Even when faced with rejection, it is crucial to find joy in life. Instead of letting it get you down, go out and do things that make you happy. Spending time with friends, exploring new interests, or simply enjoying nature's beauty can help you overcome. You will find strength and togetherness and share your experiences. 9. Act as if they don't exist. When someone ignores or rejects you, it's easy to dwell on it and feel hurt. But instead of letting it consume you, focus on the people who do appreciate you. Spend time with friends and family who value. By redirecting your attention to positive relationships, you can protect your mental and emotional well-being. Remember that you deserve to be surrounded by people who uplift and support you. So don't waste your energy on those who don't appreciate you. 10. Give them the silent treatment. When someone rejects or ignores you, it's best to respond with silence instead of trying to change their mind or seeking validation. Focus on preserving your own peace of mind. Silence can be a powerful tool for asserting your self-respect and maintaining emotional stability. By choosing not to engage in futile arguments or discussions, you're protecting yourself from unnecessary stress and negativity. Remember that your worth doesn't rely on someone else's approval, so don't waste your energy on those who don't appreciate you. 11. Don't beg for attention. Seeking validation from others can be tempting, especially when faced with rejection. But true confidence comes from within, not from external approval. Instead of trying to prove yourself to others, focus on your own personal growth and fulfillment. Pursue activities that bring you joy and satisfaction, regardless of whether others acknowledge them. By prioritizing your own well-being and happiness, you'll build genuine self-confidence that isn't reliant on others' opinions. As we conclude our journey into the realm of reversing rejection, remember that every closed door is an opportunity waiting to be taken via the prism of Stoic philosophy. We've learned to perceive rejection not as a hurdle, but as a redirection towards something greater. By embracing the lessons we've discovered, rejecting apathy. By mastering our emotions and utilizing the power of resilience, we pave the route for our own successes. Let us not forget that true power rests in how we respond to rejection.